Hello, and thanks for being here. Today I'm making some picadillo. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Anyway, I have chopped up half of an onion, and I have a couple of potatoes, and we're going to peel these, and we're going to slice them in half, and then we're going to slice them like this. I hope today is a great day for you. It's absolutely a great day for me because I opened my eyes and then found all was well, and it's just beautiful. Okay, so we're adding our ground beef into our hot pan, and you know I'm using my famous masher. We cooked it till it was done. I'm gonna add those onions. I'm gonna cook these together for a bit, just a bit. Then I'm gonna add 2 cloves of crushed garlic. And know that you can adjust these seasonings and that I'm adding in here to your liking. Everything to your liking. Always do that so that you'll love this dish or any other dish. Now I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. And I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. You can add some bouillon, some base. You can add some concentrated broth, anything you want. This is cumin. Get some in there. And some turmeric. It's good, and it's so good for you. So I should add some more, huh? Yeah. Let's get this stirred around. And now I'm going to add some diced tomatoes with chilies. Or you can add jalapenos, however you choose. Add those potatoes in after I've drained them. And I had put them in the water because I didn't want them to turn brown. Okay? I think I need a little bit more salt. Excuse me. And some cilantro. I like cilantro. Everybody does. And I don't like it when it's heavy in a dish, but just lightly. It's good for me. Okay? I'm going to cover and let it do its thing for a while. You're going to have to go in every now and again to check to see if your potatoes are tender and letting those flavors marry into those potatoes. Cover. Let it go again. And we're going to check. And add a little bit of chicken broth. You can see I added a little bit of chicken bouillon. I added to the water. I couldn't get that out too well. Or you can just add plain water. I like mine moist, so I didn't add a lot of water or broth. If you would like yours with more juice, then add more water. Make sure it covers the potatoes and the beef. That's if you want it juicier. This is fine for me. Look at that. Delicious. Delicious. I like this dish. I learned it off of the internet. Sometimes, a lot of times, you can get some interesting dishes. This is Mexican. I like Mexican food. I never did love it, but I'm learning to like it more and more. And that was yellow rice that I added with my picadillo, and also I'm going to add some refried beans.